Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the screen timeout time on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the tablet, open the Settings app. In Settings, tap on Display. In the Display settings, tap Sleep. You can now change the screen timeout time to whatever you like, from 15 seconds up to 30 minutes. Just tap the time you would like and it will set to that. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon Fire tips and tricks.